Dear students, good morning. So, in previous class, we know that the introductions of the probability. We know that the definitions of the probability. So, definitions of the probability is any event. So, is a probability of the any event is equal to number of the events divided by number of the sample spaces. So that one is called ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ is a probability of the any events ಅಂತ ಕರಿತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. So is probability of the any event. So that one is the event. Event is equal to number of the event divided by number of the sample spaces. Number of the sample spaces. So that one is S is equal to is a or throwing a one dice is so is the sample spaces is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So is the event is anything is the event is getting a only even number. So that one is equal to 2 4 6. So that one is the event. So number of the sample spaces S is equal to 6 elements. Is the number of the events is equal to 3 elements. So therefore, so probability of events E is equal to number of the E divided by number of the sample spaces. So number of the E is equal to 3 divided by number of the sample space is 6. So 3 1 3 2 so is 1 by 2. So is the probability of the E events. Probability of the E events is equal to 1 by 2 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಸೊ ಇಸ್ ಎನಿ ಈವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಈವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಆ ಈವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಈವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಇ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಎಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಿ ಯು ಸಿ ಒಳಗೆ ನಾವು ಕಲಿತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ. ಇನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಿ ಯು ಸಿ conditional probability. So conditional probability means is let E and F are the two events. Let E and F are the two events of a random experiment. Then the conditional probability of the E event on the F is occurred by so is the probability of the E bar F ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. So is the letter E and F are the two events of a random experiment The conditional probability of event A with the event M is given by probability of the E bar F ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. Probability of the E bar F is equal to number of the A intersection F divided by number of the F. So probability of E bar F, E is conditioned with the F event. So A and F are the two events of a random experiment. So the conditional probability of the event A with the event F is given by probability of the A bar F equal to number of the A intersection F divided by number of the F ಆಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. So that one is probability of the A bar f is equal to number of the A intersection f divided by number of the f ಆಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. So one example for the probability of the conditional probability is, so given that E and F are two events such that probability of the A is equal to 0.6, probability of the F is equal to 0.3, probability of the A intersection F is equal to 0.2. Find probability of E bar F and probability of the F bar E. So therefore solution is probability of the E bar F is equal to probability of the A intersection F divided by probability of the F, equal to probability of the A intersection F is equal to 0.2 divided by probability of the F is equal to 0.3. So that one is 2 by 3, 2 divided by 3. Next one is the probability of the F bar E is equal to probability of the A intersection F divided by probability of the E, equal to probability of the A intersection F is equal to 0.2 divided by, so probability of the A is equal to 0.6. So equal to 2 by 6 equal to 1 by 3. So that one is the probability of the conditional probability of the events ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯೇ ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್. If probability of the A is equal to 0.8, probability of the B is equal to 0.5, probability of the B bar A is equal to 0.4. Find probability of the A intersection B. One. Next one is the probability of the A bar B. Next one, probability of the A union B. Solution is that, so let the functions values is probability of the A events is equal to 0.8. So probability of the B is equal to 0.5. So probability of the B bar A is equal to 0.4. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಇದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ. ಸೊ ಈಗ probability of the A intersection B is equal to ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವಿ ನೋ ದಟ್, ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್, ಸೊ ಎ ಬಾರ್ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಅಥವಾ ಬಿ ಬಾರ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಬಿ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಎ ಬಾರ್ ಬಿ ಇಂಟು ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಬಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಎ ಬಾರ್ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಅಥವಾ ಬಿ ಬಾರ್ ಎ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದೆ ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ, ಬಿ ಬಾರ್ ಎ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಂಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಬಿ ಎ ಬಾರ್ ಬಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ is the probability of the b bar a is equal to same is the probability of the a intersection b divided by probability of the a equal to, so probability of the a intersection b is equal to, so probability of the b bar a into probability of the a equal to probability of the b bar a is equal to s to 0.4 into probability of the a is equal to 0.8 equal to 0.32. ಸರಿನಾ? ಹಂಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಈಸ್ probability of the b a intersection b is equal to ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? ಸೊ 0.2 ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ probability of the a bar b is equal to b bar b is equal to, so 0.32 divided by probability of the b is equal to 0.5. So that one is the answer. Next one is probability of the a union b is equal to probability of the a plus probability of the b plus probability of the a intersection b equal to probability of the a is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು? 0.8. So probability of the b is equal to 0.5. So plus probability of the a intersection b is equal to 0.32. So total value is equal to ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಈ ಥರ ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು